Blam them mattress don't know how to unfollow page. Let me teach you good. Mattress do not know how to unfollow page. Blam them. Go on where you go and go from me. You understand me? Right? Mattress don't know how to do that. And you, hey, somebody tell that stinking girl over there so stop send me request and go send Rosealee. Please, may I ask you? Somebody tell that stinking girl, tell that girl over there so. Tell her, please, send a request to Rosealee. Come, I don't even know, sir, the one time. Eh? Me never know, sir, the one they get time I go play a goddamn match. With Jake, so all of them are going, so.
Thinking mouth big man. Rotten mouth big man. You brush teeth? And you brush teeth, what Drake's are doing with you? Annie, what Drake's are doing with you? You brush teeth? Stinking mouth big man. Dirty mouth big man. Cause if you hear, Annie, if you hear mouth say something, don't want to see that you're pussy.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete. I've minute upon the beat, and as you can see, pan on the screen, Annie is responding to Rosealee, dragging her through the mud after she linked up with her baby dads on TikTok Live. People putting at the comment section what you think about that, because you know Rosealee is basically saying Annie and the rest of these people on the apps, chef on one of these season dolls, is taking advantage of her situation and capitalizing off of her image, because we already know what it is. If chicks didn't have no status, high status on the angst, these girls wouldn't be entertaining them. And this is why most of us shouldn't go to the job entertaining the co-workers, because they shouldn't feel comfortable stepping into yours, because this is a serious situation. This is serious. The kids is taken away. This is not no joke business. And as you can say, you joke out yourself with your co-workers so they feel like they can do the same, right? But anyway, people, let's hear what Annie have to say in response to what Rose was dealing with yesterday. You see me? Just like and share the video from now on our social media platforms from your side.
Other way. What me add her for? Why me add her? When I make it look like say me and Jakes in a something or something, I so now make it look for me, you know. When I try to paint a picture for me, you know, bro. I mean, I like that, you know. Now you go tell me say blood clot Rosealee. Eh? Rosealee will looking like a blob. Eh? Stinking Rosealee will look like a ply blood clot board. Eh? Rosealee to blood clot looking like one big fat blob. Look like a cold porridge will drop out a blood clot pot. Eh? I thought me not ready for you yet. Dirty thinking Rosealee. We invest in a cocky and no get none. I come take set pan blood clot me and me tell if you go invest in a series and you no get no dick. Eh? Me never see the girl blood clot happy around her kids yet. Only did see Rosealee I did happy around her kids. But when they run blood clot man when I want to fuck you, you're happy bitch. Eh? Thinking dirty Rosealee, ever see Rosealee in a kitchen a cook? But you in a Airbnb or people yard a cook bitch. You ever cook for your blood clot pitney them? You ever talk about mother status? Frowsy blood clot Rosealee. Molly blood clot Rosealee. You ever cook for your blood clot pitney them? Anybody on TikTok ever see Rosealee a cook a blood clot meal for your blood clot kids? You know see a box food queen. It come like you know see Rosealee a box food blood clot queen. Rosealee is a box food blood clot queen, a queen of box food nation. You ever see a mother to blood clot get up and cook food here for your pitney? You ever see Rosealee a cook food? No, me tell you what go on. Rosealee didn't use Jakes. So Rosealee didn't make the money. Right? Have Jakes I use him like a blood clot maid. Rosealee never did want Jakes get no highlight. The moment Jakes hit the spotlight, Rosealee start fret. Because she can't control him again. Yeah, Jakes get her from underneath your blood clot claw. GX get way from underneath your blood clot because you were control, you didn't control the man, you know. And now the man step out blood clot for you. Because GX sister Rosealee is not a good blood clot mother. Her mother get up and cook for your pitney. You ever see Rosealee blood clot to take care of her pitney? Them a GX blood clot do that, guys. A GX take care of the blood clot pitney them. Right now, GX sad. Rosealee happy. And the whole of her skin off on the blood clot teeth. Look pan GX. GX sad. Look pan Rosealee from the pitney them gone to blood clot. Eh? From the pitney them gone, Rosealee happy. Rosealee bust champagne. Una never see Rosealee blood clot happy so in her dear life from she lose her kids. Rosealee gone a blood clot party gone cock it up and blood clot AKEEM. Rosealee a back it up and AKEEM with your sour pussy. A mother with this lose your kids. You dey a party a back it up and blood clot man when I want you. The boy never invite you, bitch. He never invite you. You're supposed to there your yard a grieve over your blood clot. Pity them sour crutches, Rosealee. You think like a blood clot dog. With the one bag of koro underneath your blood clot neck. Stinking June. You can't talk about my mouth. Eh? Stinking dirty molly blood clot June. How could you talk about my mouth with the tongue ring went in your mouth for about 10 years ago? Talk about that. Dirty stinking molly Rosealee with a swamp pussy. You talk about, oh Jesus, you say me for stop, baby. You talk about stop. Why are you saying to stop? Like seriously? You're saying to, like really? Hey, me tell you something, Rosealee. You're a determined drunk crow. You have a determination of a drunk Rosealee. Because you're wrong and blood clot strong. And you come out here start come go on like your blood clot right. You're determined no blood clot. You have a determination of a drunk. You can't put me down talk about my blood clot mouth. Talk about the big stinking blood clot tongue ring in your mouth for years where you not clean or take out. Yeah. The reason why AKEEM no fuck you is when time you go lift up your blood clot foot with your swamp pussy, the sewage hole where you have. The boy never did want to smell the muck. So that's the reason why when you're there at the B&B, the boy left. Him never want your stinking pussy, girl. You run a whole series and the boy no fuck you. The boy no want you. Yeah. The boy no want you. When me there with man, guess what? I get what I forget. When me there with man, I get what I forget. Straight through. Talk about that now. Eh? You invest in a dick and you not get none. Baby. Hey, Father God, babe, God know this. Stop, because you said done. Yeah, you see how them deal with me? You see how them come and how them come here and them deal with me? Eh? I never did not cuss with the person. You know that. I wasn't cussing. I never did not say nothing at all. But all in, you want hear them deal with my kids. You want hear them did they come talk to me. Or Rosealee if you come and come blood clot cuss. Me did blood clot threaten me pitney them. Talk it truth now. Me did threaten none of my pitney them for a man when I want me. You never threaten the blood clot pitney them over GX. You're trying to feed a man when I wants you. A boy will use you and duck you. But never see you threaten you pitney them over your blood clot. Good, baby father. Eh? But you threaten him over a man when a blood clot want you, bitch. Eh? Your whole blood clot family. Who to blame? Rosealee, who to blame? Eh? Big stinking blood clot, bitch. If you go suck a dick, you bite it off. Eh? And left blood clot dessert. Who the fuck you chat to? Eh? Can't even carry out decent if you go eat a decent blood clot meal. I don't know. Don't know. Yeah. Tell her don't fuck around me, no dirty girl. Honey. Yeah. Oh, me not have none, you know. Me not have none here, so. Yeah, sorry about that. Me not have none, sweetheart. You feel like you can't come here so come blood clot or come this up or this up or this up. Big old stinking so. You're so no blood clot. So a blood clot, Rosealee. Look pan you. Look pan blood clot you. No man, take a look pan this. Eh? Look pan you we can't find your blood clot pussy. Girl like you we can't find your hole to blood clot. You have to lift up your belly to find your big pussy. Eh? Look at blood clot this. Hmm? Look pan this fucking swine. Eh? Blood clot swine. Now look pan this of here, look for your pussy. Take her a couple years to find her pussy. Eh? Rosealee, you have to go in a one lane. Go up to a mountain to find your big thinking sour hole. Jake's tired for hold up your big old dirty blood clot foot. Eh? Rosealee with the muck up underneath her blood clot body. Rosealee, take a hose, take a power wash for rub you down. For wash you down, bitch. Mama, take a blood clot power wash, agent, for wash you blood clot down. Eh? Stinking molly blood clot Rosealee. You can't cuss nobody on blood clot social media. Look on the big old sow. Look on the pig. Look on the pig. Take a look at this blood clot pig. Look on the drunk row wrong and blood clot strong. And you come out yourself, come cuss people because you don't want nobody talk to Jakes. Bad mind blood clot gal. Bad mind blood clot Rosealee. Box food blood clot queen. Queen of the box food nation. Hmm? You can't tell people about stink gal. Eh? You sit down every blood clot there on live. Not even 3 times for the day you're not beard. You be 3 times for the day, not even 2 blood clot time. Because we can't even talk about what 3 times. Eh? Hey, girl, now fuck your blood clot self. Here, make her take it down. Don't fuck your blood clot self. You've been warned. You have been warned. Go for that, girl. Don't come for blood clot me. You hear me coming? I want your man. I don't want your blood clot, man. And nothing no wrong with Jakes. Jakes a good blood clot, man. Jakes just wake up, bitch. Jakes in a watch a dopey show for years. The show named Blob. Jakes in a watch a blood clot dopey show for years. Jakes wake up now. The show named Blob. Yeah, make me restart. Alright. Yeah, me restart. Me see you. Me see what you say. Restart. Alright, babe.
Yes, and this was a good match because Rosealee and Annie, them come from the ghetto, the art of the ghetto, so them run and cut, you know. So Annie have much, you know, and plus she, I don't want to say advanced, but you know she older than Rose, so, you know what I mean? Yeah, if you want to continue to get these type of bagger reviews, like and share the video and subscribe to my channel, you see me? Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.